Carefully open your box. Remove the large foam packaging from around the track. And place the track on a work surface. Carefully remove the shrink wrap from the outside of your packaging. Carefully unfold your system, leaving all packaging and foam inserts in place. If a second person is available to help, it will make the reassemble process faster and easier. Remove the plastic sleeve, taking care not to remove the packaging material in the track. Remove the packaging material from the master carrier body halves. Ensure the drive belt stays in the track as the master carriers are brought together and the track is moved into the splice. Tighten the splice on the track. Remove the last foam inserts from the track. Bring the remaining track sections together and remove the slack in the drive belt as you bring the master carrier halves together. Insert the clip. Tighten the last splice. Include the ripple-fold cord as you are assembling the master carrier arm. Test the track operation by moving the master carriers from open to closed. Install the track to the wall or ceiling prior to installing the motor. Always fully charge the battery prior to installation. Two-person assembly and installation suggested.